and congratulations for your amazing score, 185.5. So how are
Thank
you
you so
feeling,
much, ma'am.
Aditya?
Ma'am, I am feeling blessed. I am feeling lucky also that I am like, पता है मैम आपको सच बताऊं, when I was in 12th grade and
Hmm.
it was around June or something, and someone just gave me the booklet. See, Pahel has given an orientation in our school, so you might be interested also. Like, okay, let me see. There are coaching centers for architecture also. I was like, thank God. So then only I had contacted you.
Yeah,
Like I
yeah,
haven't even attended the orientation.
yeah,
Someone
yeah.
just asked me to.
The
So it's
webinar
like,
was conducted, right? Hmm.
yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, it sometimes just feels like, karma wants it or whatever. Like you
Hmm.
just find your ways through things.
Yeah, definitely, Aditya. So starting from the start, Aditya. So, like architecture, as you said, have you planned for it? And have you dreamed of it, or being an architect, or what was it? Like, what was your dream?
Ma'am, to be honest, when I came in 11th, I thought of becoming an interior designer. But
Oh.
my parents just said that you should. Matlab, I wasn't very confident about it. Ki,
Hmm.
should I be it or not? And my parents also saw that, like, yeah, our son isn't really confident about it. So
Hmm.
let's just give him a career which is more likely to give him happiness. So
Right.
they start. So we all of us we decided that we should stick with BTech.
Hmm.
And ma'am, that was the decision I had made and I regretted the most. And for 1 year, I spent in coaching centers for BTech,
I
and it was an
remember.
horrible
Yeah.
year. And then in
I
the
had a
starting of
word
class
regarding
12th,
this. Yeah, yeah, I
huh,
remember. Yeah.
ma'am, so in the starting of class 12th, they saw that, okay,
Hmm.
fine, BTech isn't for you. It's totally
Hmm.
isn't for you. So we just signed it out from BTech, from the coaching centers, and then decided, okay, if you don't want to, I said that if you don't want me to as such pursue interior,
Hmm.
let me have a bigger degree regarding architecture and all that.
Okay.
First of all, I had thought of architecture, but then I thought ki maybe it isn't for me. I wouldn't be able to do that. So
Hmm.
I thought of civil engineering. I thought it is similar thing regarding
Okay, so you
architecture.
found architecture, like you had the misconception that architecture is tougher than BTech.
Yes, ma'am. And also, I didn't even know about the exams properly. I thought
Okay.
it's from
Hmm.
JEE paper one only, so I thought, whatever, just leave it. Maybe I should go with civil engineer and all that
Hmm,
only.
hmm, hmm,
But then in class 11th, in the class 12th, it became clear to me, oh, so architecture has a separate paper regarding JEE,
hmm,
and it's totally a different world.
hmm,
And you can do so much with it. It's like a combination of interior designing,
hmm,
civil
hmm,
engineering, designing, engineering, and mathematics. So I
Right.
was like, yeah,
Yes.
this is the best combination I could find about designing and decision making.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
So then I was like, yeah, I think this is my calling. So then I started to prepare for it,
Yeah. Yeah.
and then I came to know about the coaching centers, and then I able to know about the Pahel design, which is
Yeah.
in Prithvi.
Yeah.
So that's how I landed in Pahel. After so many long things of BMC, of self-doubt, of BTech, उसके बाद मैम, उसके बाद फिर मैम finally I have
And
landed in
finally, you
Pahel.
achieved it also with such a great
Yes,
score.
ma'am. Ma'am, it sometimes feels like the God wants it. Okay, you might have hurdles in the starting, but in the
Yeah.
end, we will
Mhm.
land you in the right place only. So don't worry.
Exactly. Yes. Hurdles is
God
always
has the
there,
plans.
in good, whatever you want to achieve, and a good path always have hurdles. So you shouldn't be scared of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I was used to be so scared of it. What career I'm taking? What should I decide? What is the right path? And just somehow things just work out,
Yeah. So
and
coming
I
to
feel
the
so
next.
happy about it.
Great, Aditya. I feel so happy for you as well. Even I was very much, thrilled after seeing your score that, oh my God, okay, 185.5. Okay.
Ma'am, thanks to Anjali, ma'am, especially, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks to Anjali, ma'am.
Yeah. I
She
know. I
really helped
know.
me out regarding that.
Yeah,
Like,
definitely.
ma'am, who? अपना सिलेबस समय के हिसाब से एकदम जब जैसी जरूरत हो उसके हिसाब से चेंज कर लेती है वो.
No, she
Special
literally.
thanks to her.
I know. Like at the end of the, the changes which have been made, that was something in which she has put a lot.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
definitely. So coming to the next question, Aditya, you were in 12th when you joined the coaching. So and obviously you had boards also, and you were preparing for NATA and JE as well. So how difficult it was, and how did you balance both the things together?
Ma'am, I would say it wasn't very difficult because regarding the mathematics part, it actually helped me to prepare for boards also. So it was even a plus point because sir was always there for us. Ki if you need help in boards, just ask me questions regarding boards question. So it actually helped me in boards, at least the mathematics part. And aptitude part was so easy and it was literally fun. It was like escaping from all those physics and chemistrical part. So I would say it was really easy, especially if we are joining in a weekend batch. It was like, seriously, ma'am, it was more of like a fun and vacation from all those tuition and school life. So I really think that on a scale of 10, I would say a 4 or 5 level of difficulty. That's it. It was seriously, ma'am, very easy.
Okay,
And since
and obviously
we
you
like
were
to
in weekend
draw,
also. Yeah, and being in weekends batch also. Yeah, like Monday to Friday you had schools and tuitions, and Saturday Sunday you
yeah,
had
ma'am.
weekend batches and preparing for NATA and JE. So how did you cope up with basically that thing? So
Yes,
how was
ma'am.
your
Ma'am,
schedule, and
huh.
how did you manage it?
Ma'am, I would say that all those tuition work and school work, I would really just finish it in the weekend days only. And whatever work I got from 12, which wasn't very much, just a little bit of 1 or 2 drawings and some practice questions. I would finish it in weekends only. And ma'am, वो भी रात से पहले तक खत्म हो जाता था. That all, and it was just I would say easy because they even know that yeah we have school also, so we need to manage both of them. So they never just given us any burden or something. So,
Okay.
ma'am, I think it was seriously very easy. And if you are just considerable about your time now, so yeah, you can easily manage it. It's not like the BTech coachings that require too much of attention, too much of your time and effort. It was very easy, ma'am. I would say that, okay, yeah, you can finish your schoolwork and tuition work in weekends and finish your coaching work in you finish your school work in weekdays and coaching work in weekends only.
So basically you
You,
have to be very you have to prioritize your things if you want to
yeah.
balance it together. So the prioritize of the things are very much necessary in this thing. So
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yeah, the school studies and the coachings, so that is very important. So coming up to the next question, Aditya, as you know that NATA is having 2 attempts every year they're having, and this year both the attempts were in the COVID-19 situation and in the new normal. So how were the attempts, and like first attempt and the second attempt, was it easy, difficult, what was the level, how were the questions and everything?
I had decided earlier only that the first attempt should be a practice attempt only because I wasn't very sure of the pattern. So I just gave it like, okay, I had prepared for it, but let's
Yeah,
see
because
that
there were changes
drawing part is
also.
exactly. So I just gave the drawing part as okay. So these are the types of questions they're asking, and then I prepared for the same with the help of the drawing faculty for the second attempt. I really, very seriously prepared for the second attempt. That yeah, this is my final and main attempt, so I have to give it my best. And ma'am, that was really wasn't very difficult task actually, since it wasn't a pen and paper test in drawing part, so it just became easier only this year.
Yeah, yeah.
We known about the principles and all that because of Anjali ma'am, so it was actually easier than the JEE part.
It's all about practice, Aditya. I would feel that
Yes,
it got
ma'am,
easier because you have
surely.
practiced.
I can't agree more than about it, ma'am. Seriously, it's just about practice. Even if it is drawing, aptitude, or mathematics, you have to practice.
Yes.
Like,
Yeah.
okay. And it doesn't even require too much of it. Just like, okay, you have 10 minutes, just revise the names of the building. If you have 20 minutes, yeah, just make a simple composition, 2D composition. Just 20 to 30 minutes. Just
20
maths
30
requires
minutes
some
of,
time.
yeah, 20-30 minutes of every day if you devote, then you'll be able to
Yes,
complete the
ma'am.
syllabus. Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am. I mean, like, it's seriously like, okay, you're having a tea break, just take a notebook of aptitude, revise the names of the architects, revise the names of the awards. It was
Hmm.
just like that. You
Hmm.
doesn't have to like sit and take your exam copies and books and like, okay, now I have to study for next 2 to 3 hours.
Hmm.
That level of motivation is only required in mathematics sections, and
Hmm.
definitely not in drawing and aptitude.
Okay, chalo, great. So, Aditya, next question, which I feel that everyone will be having in their mind, that there have been lots of changes as we were talking about the changes this year. So, the changes like the cognitive skills were included, the
Yes,
PPQ
ma'am.
portions, the preferential type portions were included in creative, and the creative, the drawing part was excluded, and the physics and chemistry part was included. So
Yes, ma'am.
how did you cope up with the changes, and what do you want to say about it? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, since the the aptitude and the mathematical part was more or less the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And to be honest, I didn't prepare for the physics and chemistry. I just like, okay, I had prepared it for the boards only. Let's see, whatever happens, happens. Because
Mm-hmm.
I can't give more of the time on it because I had already had a huge syllabus regarding maths.
Right.
So I always given up on physics and chemistry. Like, okay, whatever I had prepared for it in the boards, that should be enough. And that is more or less there. And you hardly wouldn't be able to do one or two questions. That's it. That's the maximum number. And
Mm-hmm.
regarding drawing, I would say, especially the YouTube videos really helps. There are lots of them, hordes of them. All
Mm-hmm.
teachers had advised us to at least look for them on the YouTube because
Mm-hmm.
there's so many of it content. Anyways, so PTQ type question, like what happens is you are given a picture and there would be like 10 to 20 options, and you have to choose four of them. Out of the six are correct. Six are correct, huh? And you
Mm-hmm.
have to choose four of them. Four options that describes the image. And I would say that it really requires the concept of each meaning of every single term. Like if it's a 2 point perspective, it's a 1 point perspective. If it's a 3 point perspective, you really need to know that. I think.
And I'm
Uh,
sorry, I would like to add on this part. I think out of 125 in creative section, you scored how much?
121 or
One.
something.
Yes. Yeah.
Uh,
So
uh,
yeah. So how was exactly that happened?
ma'am, ma'am, how should I tell it? Ma'am, the 10 marks question, that was, I think, was my luck that all of them I just came to know about it. What happens is that actually requires a little bit more of your attention. Those 10 marks question, because there are the depth of those questions is way too much. So it just, ma'am, the thing is now, every teacher had taught us that you just have to have the feeling to look for the knowledge on the internet. Like,
मतलब
okay,
observation बहुत
huh,
important है इस चीज में.
exactly, ma'am. If the teachers had taught us about subtractive color scheme, so
Hmm.
they are expecting you to, okay, now Google it also.
Hmm.
Read about it from other places also and gather as much information as you can. You
Hmm.
need to have that feeling that, yeah, I need to learn more.
Yeah.
Because sometimes it really happens that, okay, they might have told us about 10, 20 detailed information about a topic, and now they are expecting us to gather more information that they might have skipped. You need
Hmm.
to have to, especially in the architecture zone
Hmm.
also. Sir
Hmm.
always asks us to like just read about Mughal architecture, just read
Hmm.
about Hindu architecture. You
Hmm.
need to read about them.
Hmm.
So I wouldn't just say ki, wouldn't just say ki, yeah, follow these 10 terms, follow these five, learn these 5 terms, and
Hmm.
you would be good enough.
Hmm.
You just have to look for that information.
Hmm.
Ask your teachers more, ask your internet, there's Wikipedia also. So I would say that, for example, if Anjali ma'am has taught us about 10 principles,
Hmm.
so what I will do is, okay, मैंने पढ़ा, and now I think I should search them also, just to get even more of a
Hmm.
deeper idea. I
Hmm.
wasn't going to contradict them,
Right.
just want to get even a deeper idea.
Right.
Oh, so
Hmm.
you might learn about something, five more new things. You never know.
Exactly. Right.
Uh,
Which will help
you
you in
never know.
future. Maybe not today,
Yeah,
but it will
it
help
helps
help
in
you future.
future.
Yeah.
Hmm. Not necessarily Nata, maybe in your designing career.
Right.
Knowledge is always useful. I just
Right.
can't say that knowledge might not be useful to you.
Hmm.
It is always useful. So
Hmm.
if you, it isn't like मैंने फालतू में 5 चीजें पढ़ ली, तो आप जो पढ़ रहे हो,
Exactly.
हाँ, तो उसका मैम फायदा ही होगा.
Hmm.
So I would say that to get that deeper level of understanding, you need to have that craving for knowledge. over internet, over books, over the books supplied by NATA JEE coachings. That's it, ma'am. I would say that not you can't just learn 5 or 10 things that just ensures you to get okay. I would now get 110 above, 120 above. You just have to have that feeling ki हाँ, I
You
need
have
to
to have the
learn more.
craving
I need to
basically.
know more. Exactly, ma'am. You have to that feeling. It's not like mathematics with 10 formulas or 10, 20 principles.
Okay, so great, Aditya. Now, coming up to the end of the session, so what magical tips you would like to give to all the
Ma'am,
future
of
aspirants?
course, of course.
And
I would say that ma'am, one thing really helped me regarding aptitude section. What I did was made flashcards. Maybe I would have them also. Yeah. I made these flashcards. It's like 50 of them. So one side has the
I cannot
question.
see it. It's very much bright. Is it something written over there?
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay.
One side there's question and the other side there's the answer. I would like made yes, ma'am.
Oh, great.
I made them 50 or 60 around them. So I started with 10 or 15 only. Ma'am, it really helped. I can't stress this more. Ma'am, it really helped. Like all those remembering all those names of the architects, building locations, all those them. I just, ma'am, मैंने सबसे पहले इसको YouTube पे देखा था and I thought what a waste of time it is. Making 50 of them. इससे better तो मतलब मैं copy से याद कर लूँगा. Ma'am, it really helps. What happens is that now whenever I'm like, okay, I have 5 minutes, I'm getting bored. I just they're kept on the table like, okay, just go through them. Just go through them like, okay, this, and all that. So that's the best thing that can help you in remembering the names and location of the building. Stress this more. You should try this, ma'am. You should tell all those students to try this. I myself had told them, a lot of them, that try this flashcard thing, it really helps. And regarding drawing, there's only one thing, like when you are giving your exam, I would say that you should have practiced at least 20 to 30 drawings that you should be very proud of.
Minimum.
20 to 30 drawings that would be like, yeah, I'm really proud of these drawings. I can just say that, okay, इस drawing में मतलब मेरे को 50 में से इस drawing में मतलब 50 में से मेरे को 40 से कम तो मिल ही नहीं सकते. मतलब आपको उतना confidence होना चाहिए उन 30 to 40 drawings में.
Right.
That is the only mantra. In the first attempt of JEE, I haven't really practiced that much of drawing and really got a very low percentile in mathematics. Sorry, drawing. It was, ma'am, seriously, it was horrible. It's 75 or something. Percentile in drawing section. Yeah. And I just improved it so much in the summer vacation and all that. Practiced it like, okay, 2 drawings daily. And I've just gotten like a file made of it, all those drawings. Around 30 to 40
because
drawings.
you know, in the starting, when you start the preparation, the student which I have seen tend to give lot of attention to the other subjects apart from drawing.
Yes, ma'am. Pata hai, I would say na, ma'am, maybe they feel like, okay, I'm just उनके मैं motivation decrease कर रहा हूँ, motivation पे मैं उन्हें मेहनत कम करने के लिए कह रहा हूँ. But mathematics doesn't require you to you should be just able to do 10 to 15 questions out of 25.
Exactly.
That is more or less you have to do. That really ensures you a good percentile in mathematics. And regarding aptitude,
but you have to be sure about it 100%.
You have to be sure. Exactly. You have to be sure. If you are doing 10 questions, you have to be sure that all those are correct.
Right.
Like you can't be like, हाँ 5 में डाउट है 5 सही लग रहे हैं, वो नहीं मैम, वो बिल्कुल नहीं. अगर 10 किए हैं तो 10 एकदम सही होने चाहिए. बिल्कुल. And aptitude, like 50 question, all 50 of them are doable. Seriously, all 50 of them are doable. Ji sir used to say this, I was like, sir क्या बोल रहे हो, 50 के 50 ये नहीं हो सकता sir. But seriously,
I know this thing, like in the starting when Ajit sir used to tell you guys that you have to target this much marks, you can score
200 or 200.
And like you guys used to come up, you guys used to
ma'am sir क्या बोल रहे हैं. हाँ ma'am याद है. And regarding drawing, you should stress about it. I saw that people just gaze over and like, हाँ drawing होती है नहीं करेंगे, maths में number ले आएंगे and all that. Maths, you have a limit of doing that level. Exactly. You just can't. Ma'am, it's a harsh truth, but if your capacity is 10 questions, you wouldn't be able to do magically 25 of them. That's a harsh truth. Ma'am, मैं सच बता रहा हूँ, मैंने अपने mathematics में 10 question करके आया था. 10 भी नहीं, 9 question. अभी secondary term में 9 question करके आया था, but I was very sure of it. Yeah, all 9 of them would be right. That is the thing. You couldn't be like doing all the 20 questions and you aren't even sure about them.
Right,
If they are
right.
right or correct or not. So
Even this trick,
that's the wrong thing.
yeah, even this trick is applicable in JEE also.
Yeah, ma'am,
Yeah,
exactly. But especially in JEE.
yeah,
It's in
especially in
JEE,
JEE.
ma'am.
Yeah.
क्योंकि नाटक में तो बच्चे मैथ्स में रखते ज्यादा डिटेल में क्वेश्चन आते नहीं, लेकिन मैम जेई में आते हैं. जेई में बहुत डिटेल क्वेश्चन आते हैं मैथ्स से रिलेटेड एंड यू आर जस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड टू 10 to 15 क्वेश्चन. That's more than enough. And regarding drawing, you should practice about drawing because drawing is something that is a talent and not everyone have it. So you have an edge over it. Like if you practice well enough, then you would have an edge over it. So I should really say that practice drawing. Practice drawing, and like ma'am, I had seen it even in my center only. 5 to 10 people just leave that part. Drawing में खाली छोड़ दी है. और अगर बनाई भी है तो बहुत बुरी.
The drawing
अगर दिख रही है हाँ, drawing section.
Oh God.
Ma'am, seriously, ma'am, the invigilator was collecting the papers of the drawing part. I'm like, what is it? Is it a drawing or something? Is it a man or something? Like, that you can, I can like, really assure you that at least out of 100, 50% people just don't know how to draw. Seriously, ma'am. It might be like over exaggeration, but seriously, if you practice your drawing well, then you seriously would have an edge over this exam. Especially in JEE also. Because नाटक की तो खैर बहुत difficult drawing आती है, but JEE was like, okay, it isn't that difficult, it is doable. And there are so many examples of those drawing over Pinterest, over internet. Just go through them.
There are lots of references which you can take from
exactly, ma'am. So many references. I had seen, in fact, on Pinterest only, I had seen so many references regarding 3D and 2D compositions. Anjali ma'am has asked me to do that, ma'am. It really helped. Because when you have references, then you get an idea, okay, so this is something that I am supposed to be making. That really helps. I would say that practice drawing, that really helps. Practice drawing. And practice maths, but don't take it like, okay, 8 hours of day, 10 hours of day, that doesn't help. You have to be sure that, okay, these 10 chapters are doable, these 10 chapters aren't doable for me. So just stick with those 10 chapters only. And aptitude, make something like these flashcards, or if you're comfortable with notes only, then go for notes only. And target at least 50, may say, out of 48 or 49 questions. Those are all doable, ma'am. That's it, ma'am. That should help you in JEE and in NATA. Actually, ma'am, NATA का तो exam हमारे बिल्कुल ही अलग तरह से हुआ.
Exactly, yes.
ऐसा होगा. But the aptitude and mathematics part would be the same. Yeah. And drawing is, and JEE drawing and NATA drawing are more or less the same.
Yeah, and physics, chemistry would be same, and the basically the syllabus will be same.
I would just say, don't too much pressure on PCM. Like, PCM has really small part, especially in the NATA. It's like just 22.5 marks for PCM only. So if you even just do 10 questions of it, that's just good. That's good enough. Practice more on drawing.
So in all the 3 subjects, Aditya, which subject is more stressed upon, like maths, physics, or chemistry?
Ma'am, I would say maths, because in physics and chemistry there are many conceptual questions that you had already practiced for your board exams. So I think you should practice for maths. It would help you for JEE also, especially because that is something that both of them has common regarding PCM. And in terms of physics and chemistry, just try not to forget what you have studied for boards. That's it. That's more or less the thing that they require. The level of the PCM is really easy. You don't need to be like solving last year question papers of BTECs and all that. That just okay, stick with maths and stick with physics and chemistry for your board syllabus. That's it.
Okay, and what about the chapters which comes in the main core chapters which are there, and which you think the student should more practice in the initial, the initial stages? They should practice with certain topics and focus on those topics more compared to the other topics.
Ma'am, I would say that one thing is calculus, because what happens is that differential equations, differentiation, integrals, area under graph, all those chapters are related. So if you have your grip over calculus, you're most likely to be able to solve all those 5 to 6 chapter questions. Calculus, focus on calculus. Seriously, just focus on calculus. That should at least ensure you 3 to 4 questions in JEE. And then if you are able to do coordinate geometry, that I myself wasn't really able to, focus on coordinate geometry of class 11. That's one of the most important chapter of this JEE paper exam.
Okay.
Calculus and coordinate geometry, that should literally covers 50 to 60% of the syllabus, entire syllabus. Focus on this part, and mostly focus on these parts. And if you have enough time and enough understanding of the chapters, then go for NC, binomials and all that. And also focus on that mathematical reasoning. That's seriously a free question for you. That's free marks, mathematical reasoning and probability. That's also free marks for you. Just focus on these chapters and especially on calculus. Calculus should ensure you at least 4 to 5 marks, 4 to 5 questions in JEE. That's, I would just.
And what about NATA?
NATA, ma'am, NATA has a really mixed level of questions. Actually, ma'am, to be really honest, I never really put attention to that much in NATA because I thought that, I'm studying for mathematics in JEE, so I would have been able to do NATA questions also. And regarding physics and chemistry, that stick with your board. Stick with your NCRTs, that should help. That's the most important thing that you need to do, especially if you're preparing for any competitive exam. Stick with your NCRT, then go for coaching books. Because those are the concepts. And regarding physics and chemistry, ma'am, I would say go through the tuition material if you are attending or your school material. That's really the more or less just enough. And if mathematical part you're asking for in NATA, it's really easy. It's just seriously easy. That's really easy. That's like board questions. That I can't really stress over it.
Okay. And what about the drawing section, Aditya? Like
in JEE?
Yeah, JEE and NATA both.
Okay, ma'am. I would say, ma'am, what happens in JEE 2D and 3D questions is that you need to see references, and I would say that what you should be doing is that make your teachers check it. That, ma'am, if I made a drawing, then I would go to the Anjali ma'am and ask her, ma'am, if you are the examiner, how would you give it? How many marks would you give it out of 50? So that's one of the most important things, because seriously, if they're saying 40 now, it's more or less 40 only that you're going to get in the marks, and that you're going to get in that JEE exam if you do that same drawing. So I would say stick with your teachers, your drawing teachers. Their advices are like golden to you. Seriously, even YouTube can't give you that level of one-to-one interactive advices. So I would say if you're preparing for drawing, practice at least 2 to 3 drawings, 3 to 4 drawings per week. That's more than enough. And make sure that you're improving. That if you are drawing 2-point perspective, so अगर दोबारा बना रहे हो उसे तो फिर वो लग रहा है, वो more realistic लगना चाहिए. Right. That's the key thing. You need to improve your drawing. It doesn't matter that पहले मैम मेरी ड्राइंग से बिल्कुल कार्टून थी मैम, बहुत अजीब थी मेरी ड्राइंग, तभी तो इतने बुरे मार्क्स थे, but I improved it day by day, little by little. And the dosa helped me, Anjali ma'am helped me. So you just need to see that you're improving or not. Right. And regarding 2D and 3D composition, just have a better understanding of color theory and interact with your teachers. Ask them if you are supposed to give marks over it, how much would you give it? That's more or less the thing you need to do. Just practice. Seriously, ma'am, पता है प्रदोष सर भी यही कहते थे, practice it daily, guys, because जहाँ पर आपने पेंसिल छोड़ी ना एक हफ्ते के लिए, बस फिर भूल जाओगे, शेडिंग नहीं हाथों से फिर. So you need to practice. Just 3 to 4 drawings per week is more than enough. Especially if you have time. I think they are giving the exam in January only. Yeah,
January for JEE, but NATA will be giving
NATA in April. If they have enough time, if just they practice 3 to 4 drawings per week, that would be more than enough. Just see that you are improving. Just see that you are improving. That's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, basically you have to examine yourself.
Exactly. Ask the teachers, use your own skills to determine the level of the drawing. Just see that you are improving. Like seriously, ma'am, अगर मैंने कोई drawing बनाई और अगर मैं रोज drawing बना रहा हूँ हर तीसरे दिन, तो 10-15 drawing के बाद मेरी drawing पहली और उस last drawing में बहुत difference होगा. See how much I had gone far from that level of drawing. That's the thing that it requires. You can't just magically learn a trick to shade or to draw the human. You just have to practice it. It will improve it by itself.
Great, Aditya. Great talking to you. I think these are the very good tips which you have shared with all the future aspirants who wants to get into architecture. And I'm really glad that I'm talking to you after so long. I'm seeing you after so
Thank you,
long.
ma'am. Seeing you so long, ma'am. Seriously, ma'am. It's been such a great while, like 6 months, more or less, 6 to 7 months.
I
Especially since
know.
the board has started in March, and we were
Yes.
busy over it. And then
Hmm.
this whole COVID thing came along.
I know.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is a new normal for us, I believe now.
Exactly, ma'am. Not like in the classes and all that, those formal classes.
Yeah, exactly. And thank you so much, Aditya, and congratulations for again for such a good score. And I hope you bloom in your career, and all the
Thank you
very
so
best
much,
for
ma'am.
future, Aditya.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. It's
Thank.
seriously, ma'am, a help from Pehel also that they helped me to guide. The guidance is so seriously, ma'am. I just can't forget this entire journey, ma'am. और इसमें बहुत अच्छा लगा. Teachers बहुत अच्छे थे. बिल्कुल भी मतलब ना वो डरने वाली फीलिंग नहीं थी. हम
Yeah.
इन्फॉर्मर सारे टीचर्स. जब
Hmm.
कॉल करना हो कॉल उठाते थे. व्हाट्सएप से कुछ पूछना हो व्हाट्सएप पे आराम से बता देते थे.
Hmm.
मैम टीचर was seriously good and thanks to you, ma'am. You always
Anytime,
helped us
Aditya.
and motivated us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Anytime, Aditya. Thank you so much for joining us. And I hope to see you soon again. And we'll be catching
Yes,
up again.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Of course, ma'am. After this COVID thing, ma'am, we're gonna have a party, the entire batch. Thank you
Definitely.
so
We'll
much,
do
ma'am.
that. Okay. Thank you so much, Aditya. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. All the best for the future, kids.
Yeah, definitely. I'll give you all your wishes to them, and all the very best to you for amazing future ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so